Hello, my name is Nate, CEO of Coursetto. I'm going to show you a quick overview of what we've built. So Coursetto is a knowledge sharing platform that enables anyone within a company to create their own training and onboarding courses. The site is completely skinnable to your brand. You can change the look and feel, and I'm going to show you that just now. So you can click the main title. Let's go ahead and just click a little W. You can change the main image by clicking the image. Down will pop this little asset library. Here's all these images that your company has uploaded. You can upload your own files as well. Let's go ahead and choose this little guy to make it a little more beachy. And you can change all of the color schemes. So you can do that just by clicking in, let's say, red, just to give you an idea of how that works. It actually will change the color of the specific primary color throughout the whole system. So let's go ahead and change that back because that just made it really ugly. You can also change your logo, you can change your fonts, and you can change the main image. So how does one actually create a course? This could be a really difficult task. Generally, the process is a company would go and hire an outside agency who would then get experts to build these complicated courses to put into complicated systems. We simplified the process by enabling your subject matter experts to create the course. But how does an engineer who's really good at biometrics be able to create a course? So we took away the ability to design. So there's no moving anything around. It's essentially just plug and play. So say I'm building this responsive design course. If we click through, you can see it's as simple as possible. And what that allows us to do is it reskins it so it reorganizes everything in a nice simple fashion, and it will work on a mobile or any device that you've got. So essentially what it is it's block based. Let's go ahead and add a block. Add this little plus. You get this little drop down of items. You can have either images display in a 3. You can enter in a quote. Can enter in a video. So we have YouTube or Vimeo handles that. So let's just grab an ID from YouTube. You can enter in that ID, and now we have that video. So now we've built our course with multiple different blocks and templates. Let's go ahead and add a quiz just to make sure that our users are paying attention. Hopefully you get the point at how easy it is to create a course, and we'll move on. Let's go ahead and press this little launch button. So the course can either be in testing, private mode, which means it just goes to your company and your company only, or you can actually send it to an open marketplace. You can set a price, and then other companies can purchase that course. So our platform is built on Node.js in the back and Angular on the front, which what that does and what that means is it allows for asynchronous code, which makes things go really, really fast. For the non-technical, it just allows us to essentially do a lot of things without creating save buttons and refreshing the entire page. So how do we do the data tracking? So someone actually has taken a course. All that is managed within people. So here's multiple tiers, as we call them. It's extremely hierarchical. So depending on where you are in the system, you're the king of your domain. If you're head of, let's drill down into marketing, you could place users in charge of all of these departments. They wouldn't be able to go higher, but they can drill down lower. If we click into magazine, we have a demo user here. We can add a user, add multiple users, and you can restrict their access. Maybe you don't want this user to be able to create a course or to invite other users. And once you enter in those emails, it fires off, and then they'll start populating into this system. So here's the actual reportings. Here's all the different courses and the progress throughout your entire system since we're on the top base. Depending on where you're at in the system, the numbers will change, allowing for managers to be able to know that someone directly above them is watching their numbers. So we also have a marketplace. So if you would like a course that's pre-existing and you don't want to create your own, like sexual harassment or diversity, you can purchase that course. But if you'd like to purchase, let's say, a responsive design course, and you want that just for a specific location, you can drill down turn off all the departments who do not need to use that course, and then when you click add to tiers, that course will then populate for those users. So that's the quick and dirty of Coursetto. We're excited to become out of beta in the next 4 or 5 months, but we're looking for partners right now to keep helping us make it better. So email me at nate@coursetto.com, and we're excited to work with you. Thanks a lot.